Okay, hello guys. I'm back on Battle Cats, and I have a goal for today. Well, first I have something to announce. I beat all the crazed cats. I think a few months ago. So far I've gotten 2 manics. I think one of them is either the most useful or second most useful. It's this one. So yeah, I feel really good sending that out because I feel like an absolute pro. Just because you see all the good players actually playing with this guy. He's said to be the best meat shield in the game. He's only level 20 for me right now because I can't upgrade him any further. And the second manic I got was said to be the hardest one and close to a merciless stage. This one. So what I did was lured him to my base, and then I have Matama and Shishi, or Shishalan Pesalan, that are immune to waves. Matama didn't actually help that much because it's a traitless enemy that, Manic Jamira is a traitless enemy, but this guy helped a lot. This guy was the guy who actually killed him. So yeah, that's pretty epic. But that is not the point of this video. So my main first goal after beating Bun Bun was to evolve this guy, which was Shishi, and it was a while ago that I evolved him. So now, my second goal was, after I collected the first crazed cat, which my first one was this one, get them all to level 20, which I recently accomplished. So then I thought of another goal, and it's to get Ganglion the Unleashed. I'm only one blue cat fruit away, and I have no energy, so I just have to come up with a way to get some cat food, and then just 10 or even just 7 cat food, and then, dang it, there's not, okay, just even 7 cat food. I think this is my best way of getting, no. Okay, I think that's too risky. So I think I have 2 seeds in here. So if I get 3 more seeds, then I'll be able to get a cat fruit. Yeah. I'll be able to grow a cat fruit. I think that's too risky also. Okay, I'm gonna look at my catnip challenges. Nine out of 10? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, there we go. I think now that's how we get Ganglion the Unleashed. Oh, that's pretty good. Alright, so send it back here. Yeah, there we go. That's 30 cat food. And then if I happen to keep on getting nothing from constantly going blue, then I'll just need to get 6 more cat food this time. Okay, here we go. So I'm just playing right now. And get something good, maybe just a cat fruit. Okay, that's a seed. Well, play it again. So I just need 2 more seeds now. Unless I just get a normal cat fruit. Okay, here we are again. Maybe get a cat fruit. No, that's a seed. Just need one more. And we're here again. Now if we get a cat fruit seed this time, then we could evolve him. Oh my goodness, okay, here we go. So, getting a cat fruit there will save me some cat fruit seeds. Yeah. Because if I had a seed if I got a seed there, then I would have just just grown all the seeds. I don't know how to say that, but grown, I don't know. Is that a word? Tell me in the comments. I don't know. I'm dumb. But, yeah, I think that's a word, but, okay. Well, anyway, I would have grown all of these, and made it a cat fruit, but now I don't have to because I got a cat fruit right away. So, alright guys, this is it. So first of all, true form evolution gains improved defense and pushbacks against enemies. Well, yeah, I'm going to be really low on cat fruit after this, but let's do it. Goodbye, Ganglion the Ancient. Oh my goodness, he looks awesome. Oh geez, he looks so cool. Holy cow, that actually looks super cool. He doesn't have talents yet. An unholy relic that has undone the seals that kept his true might in check. Resist and meet your doom. Long range attack strong against aliens and zombies. So he could what does it mean, pushbacks against enemies? Alright, that's fine though. We got Ganglion the Unleashed. We could try him out. Well, there's not really an alien stage. Okay, yes, I am stuck on an alien stage. Well, oh my, he looks so epic. Yeah, okay, well, here we go. We could try this, I guess. You know, it's a really deadly stage. It's a really annoying stage. You know, so it sends out an elder sloth at the beginning, and then a few moments later it sends out another normal sloth. And then if you take too long, then it sends out 20 other elder sloths, which is super deadly. Okay, yeah, that's the normal sloth that comes. Okay, oh yeah, it looks so cool. Wait, I want to see its attack animation. Oh, that looks so epic. It looks so epic. Does he doesn't die one hit. Uh-oh. 2 hits? Oh my goodness, not even 2 hits. Not even 2 hits that he dies. Bro, if I actually beat this time. Yeah. Just had a little bit of unluck though. Okay. Okay, I kind of see what we could do. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this so I don't just change my alien loadout. I'm gonna take these 3 out. No, these 5 out. And then put. Sorry, that was just a fly there. I'll take out Kin Rangers. So he's gonna be just like mainly the guy who gets the Elder Sloth to attack. He's gonna freeze, of course. And what we're doing now, adding freeze combos. So I know there's one with Cat-O-Lantern and Macho Leg. Well, it's not Macho Leg, but I still don't feel comfortable saying the name of this thing in, like, on YouTube. But it's part of a combo. And then, yeah, Craze Gross. Then I could actually put Catalantern in here right now, because that'll already be 2 freeze combos that I have. Let me see. Yeah, Spear Fight is the last one, but I'd rather use this guy because pumpkins are my favorite thing. Okay, that sounded a little bit weird, but yeah, I really like pumpkins for some reason. I'm actually not going to bring Valkyrie for the freeze combo, because Holy Valkyrie, not Valkyrie or True Valkyrie, but Holy Valkyrie can freeze all types of enemies, even traitless. I'm going to put her up here. So, yeah, I think this will work out. Oregon Bahamut is to destroy the base fast enough. Ganglion is going to be my main attacker. I don't know what Matama's for. Freeze aliens. Let's see if there's another guy that could freeze aliens that I have. Nope. Okay. I might get Seafarer soon because it's a 100% chance to... Sorry. I might get Seafarer soon because it's a 100% chance to survive the lethal strike. Seafarer cat is the true form of Surfer cat, which then turns into Castaway, and yeah. So here we go. Okay. Oh, I also got Legs for Days in there, but I'm not going to knock back the aliens. Hold on just a minute. Alright, I'm back. I know I paused the video, so there wasn't really a reason why I just... Never mind, I'm just going to proceed in the level. I have once again failed. I tried doing it and I was going pretty good, but yeah, he eventually he killed Ganglion and a bunch of the other castaways. There was only one that survived that lethal strike, though. I knocked the Elder Sloth back once. Yeah, there was my death. There was my death coming towards me. It's walking death. It's not walking dead. It's just walking death, or crawling death, should I say? It's just total death. That's all there is to describe that. Yeah. No way, I'm surviving this. Wait. Okay, so Ganglion. Maybe Ganglion got hit by the normal sloth. Because, so last time I was recording and Ganglion survived those hits from the Elder Sloths, right? This time, Ganglion, like the... jeez. Okay. That time, when I did it without recording, because I actually forgot I stopped recording, Ganglion only survived 2 hits, and then, yeah, that time he survived 3. I don't know. Yeah, it was probably the normal sloth that hit him again. So yeah, to wrap up this video, I need to get this done fast. I got Manic Eraser and Manic Chimera, and I evolved Ganglion, and I got close to beating Curse Blizzards. Okay, bye.